old woman was looking for the needle she lost in her hut. Passers-by asked him, "What you are looking for?" He said, "My needle." Now they say, when you lost your needle in your hut, how can you find the needle on the street you are looking for? It is straight. She said, "Yes, in my hut there is darkness, but here at least I have light." So what is this? But our condition is also not the different one. We are also having the same kind of light. We know that happiness is inside, but we go for all outside things. In yoga, they are not considered bad, but they say that along with that, you should also go inward so that inner happiness and outside happiness should have a balance.